Hey, welcome back, my amazing student. So in this lecture here, we're gonna start working with our database. We need to set up our database so that way we can play around with this later on, all right? So let's get to it. So in the app file here, I'm gonna access the config and the configuration here. As a matter of fact, before we do that, let's go ahead and download the package. And I've been doing this one here, this project, little by little in smaller sections, smaller videos, so that way you guys can get it done sooner and don't have to wait 10, 15 minutes for the video to end, all right? So I know you guys, some of you don't have a lot of time, so I'm hoping that you guys can digest this information. Good. So I'm gonna install the Flask SQL Alchemy package, just like that, Alchemy. All right, I'm gonna install this into our project. Once this is installed, then I'm gonna make sure that my app is actually working. All right, so I'm gonna turn that on, and let's go ahead and start configuring this. First, before doing that, let's import it here on top, and let's say Flask Alchemy. Let me see, right there. Import, and we're going to import SQL Alchemy from there. And I'm also going to take advantage of this, and I'm going to import the date as well. We're going to need this later. We're going to need probably more imports, but for now, that should be good. All right, so let's set this up real quick here. SQL Alchemy, just like that. And then database _ URI, all right? SQL Alchemy _ database _ URI. And here we're gonna have SQLite, and it's gonna be on the root of our project. And I'm gonna call it expenses DB, just like that. We're gonna have the config as well here. Again, same thing, almost same thing, right? SQL Alchemy. And this one is going to be turning off modifications in the database, tracking. So that way and we're gonna need this, well, not need this, we're gonna use this in the future, like in really advanced applications. Don't worry, for now, just turn it off. And then we're gonna have, I'm gonna do this a little bit different here. I'm gonna put all this very close here, all this configuration, all right? And then what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to create the database, right? With this _ contents. Just like that, this function, DB, and this would be create all, just like that. All right, and that is going to create our database. Simple as that. So if we run this, let me see right here. As a matter of fact, it's already created. All right, super simple. All right, so our database is actually created. Very good if we were able to follow along, or you can see that there, it's working 100%, because if it wasn't working, it would not create the database, all right? So yeah, we're doing pretty good, guys. I'll see you guys on the next lecture. Take care, be consistent. I'll see you guys there.